Happy Friday, everybody. Feeling good in this nice new red MTA polo. Thanks again, Dennis Quackenbush. They look great, turned out, and thanks everybody for once again participating in Red for Ed. So a couple of things this week. One, in the bulletin, we've attached some really important documents that I think will help you out. The first deals with the new incentive in the contract to sell back 2 sick days per semester if you've used 3 or less. So the form is in the bulletin. Please check that out. It also has the deadlines on. The first submission will be by February 15th. Additionally, now that observations have begun, we put a couple of APPR refresher videos in the bulletin. Please watch these. They'll explain the observation process and the student performance, as well as how the district calculates your score. I know that's been a question in some of the buildings, and now that the observations have started, APPR is back on everybody's mind. Speaking of APPR, it seems as though the regents are on the verge of extending the moratorium for another year. I got to tell you, that's great, but we've got to have higher goals. We need this APPR to disappear, get eliminated, return local control. So I'm hoping with some of the election results last night, that's one of the priorities in New York State, is to totally eliminate the current APPR and go back to local control. Other than that, have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.